In the ever-growing world of health and wellness, fresh juice has become a staple for many. Whether you're looking to kickstart your mornings with a nutrient-packed drink or incorporate more fruits and vegetables into your diet, a reliable juicer can make all the difference. Enter this Hamilton Beach Professional Juicer Machine 67906, a centrifugal extractor designed to simplify and enhance your juicing experience. With its powerful motor, extra-large feed chute, and user-friendly features, this juicer promises to be a game-changer in your kitchen. Upon unboxing the Hamilton Beach Professional Juicer, the first thing that catches your eye is its sleek, modern design in a striking black finish. The package includes the juicer base with an 1100-watt motor, a 34 ounces pitcher with a froth separator, a large pulp bin, a patented easy sweep cleaning tool, and various detachable parts that are dishwasher safe. The juicer's build quality feels robust, indicating that it's designed to withstand frequent use. Key features and benefits. 1. 3.5-inch Super Chute. One of the standout features of this juicer is its 3.5-inch Super Chute. This extra-large feed chute allows you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without the need for pre-cutting. Imagine tossing in a whole apple, a peeled orange, or a handful of kale and getting fresh juice in seconds. This feature not only saves time, but also minimizes prep work, making the juicing process more enjoyable and efficient. 2. Powerful 1100-watt motor. The Hamilton Beach Professional Juicer boasts a powerful 1100-watt dual-speed motor. This motor is designed to handle both hard and soft produce with ease. The high speed is perfect for juicing tougher ingredients like carrots and beets, while the low speed is ideal for softer fruits and leafy greens. This versatility ensures that you get the maximum juice yield from a wide variety of produce. 3. Easy Sweep Cleaning Tool. Cleaning a juicer can often be a tedious task, but the Hamilton Beach Professional Juicer simplifies this with its patented Easy Sweep Cleaning Tool. This tool sweeps the strainer clean in one simple motion, cutting the strainer cleaning time in half. Combined with the fact that the pitcher, lid, cleaning tool, pulp bin, and pusher are all dishwasher safe, cleanup becomes a breeze. 4. Fast and efficient juicing. Speed is another significant advantage of this juicer. It can produce 16 ounces of juice in just 10 seconds. This rapid juicing capability is perfect for busy mornings when you need a quick and healthy drink before heading out the door. The large 34-ounce pitcher also means you can juice a lot at once, and the froth separator ensures that you get clear, foam-free juice every time. 5. High and low juicing speeds. The dual-speed settings are a thoughtful addition, allowing you to customize the juicing process based on the type of produce you're using. The high-speed setting is excellent for dense vegetables and fruits, ensuring they are thoroughly juiced. The low-speed setting is gentler, making it perfect for extracting juice from softer fruits and greens without losing their delicate flavors and nutrients. Using the Hamilton Beach Professional Juicer is straightforward. The one-touch operation makes it easy to start and stop the juicing process. Simply press and hold the button to juice and release it to stop. The clear instructions and intuitive design mean that even first-time users can get the hang of it quickly. Cleaning and maintenance are where this juicer truly shines. The Easy Sweep Cleaning Tool is a game changer, making it easy to clean the strainer in seconds. The fact that most parts are dishwasher safe further simplifies the cleaning process. Regular maintenance involves ensuring that the blades remain sharp and the motor is kept clean. But these tasks are minimal and straightforward. Hamilton Beach offers robust customer support and a reliable warranty for their products. Should you encounter any issues with your juicer, their customer service team is responsive and helpful. The product also comes with a warranty that covers any manufacturing defects, giving you peace of mind with your purchase. Pros and cons. Pros: powerful 1100-watt motor ensures efficient juicing of both hard and soft produce. 3.5-inch Super Chute minimizes prep time by allowing whole fruits and vegetables to be juiced. Easy Sweep Cleaning Tool simplifies and speeds up the cleaning process. Rapid juicing capability, producing 16 ounces of juice in just 10 seconds. Dual speed settings for optimal juicing of various types of produce. Dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup easy and convenient. Cons: the juicer is relatively large, which might be a consideration for those with limited counter space. The high power output can be noisy, though this is typical for most high-performance juicers. Final thoughts. Is the Hamilton Beach Professional Juicer worth it? The Hamilton Beach Professional Juicer Machine 67906 is a standout product in the realm of home juicers. Its combination of power, efficiency, and ease of use makes it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced juicers. The Super Chute, powerful motor, and easy cleaning features significantly enhance the juicing experience, making it quick, convenient, and enjoyable. If you're looking to incorporate more fresh juice into your diet and want a reliable, high-performance juicer that won't let you down, the Hamilton Beach Professional Juicer is an investment worth making. Its thoughtful design and robust features ensure that you'll be enjoying delicious, nutrient-packed juices for years to come. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.